This morning I'm making delicious yo-yo biscuits. First step, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius and line, you'll need 2 baking trays. I've got my reusable mat here, so no need for grease-proof paper. 180 grams I'm using, unsalted, delicious West Gold. Okay, this is going to go into my bowl here. Scrape it in, lovely. And also going to add in 1/3 cup of icing sugar, measured out here, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Right, it's mixed together, nice and smooth and creamy there. Then I'm going to sift in, got 1½ cups of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in there. I'm going to sift in 1/2 cup of custard powder. So this is mixed together well, kind of forms that usual sort of breadcrumby mixture. So you just need to get clean hands and just sort of shape it into a bit of a formed dough. There we go, little balls. When we have got them all lined up, just a lightly floured fork and just press down like that. And then they're ready to bake. Our little yo-yo biscuits have cooked in the oven just 10-12 minutes till very lightly golden, not brown. And I'm going to measure out the West Gold butter. It's room temperature, 40 grams. Nice quality butter. You can buy this at Countdown, New World, Fresh Choice. I find it interesting, you can tell what the cows have been eating depending on the colour of the butter. So the more rich and creamy yellow butter, like this West Gold, the more grass-fed their diet is. I've got 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, I'm going to slowly add in, I've got 250 grams of icing sugar. I'm just going to add in little at a time so it doesn't blow up everywhere into my face. Right, that's coming together, not quite forming yet. We'll just add a little bit of water to get it to hold and give it a quick mix again. Now you can just use this as it is. I'm actually going to make 2 different flavours for my fillings. So I'm just going to roughly divide this into 2 bowls. Okay, so into 1 bowl I'm just going to add, I've got some raspberry flavour, just maybe 1/4 teaspoon. And then into this one, I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, about half. Give that a quick mix around and then ready to fill. Here are my pretty little yo-yo biscuits, super cute and really pretty and tasty too. Made with just a handful of ingredients, nothing tricky here at all, cheaper to make than to buy in fact. West Gold butter and delicious melt in the mouth filling.